In this video, we're going to cover affiliate marketing for beginners. Hi guys, it's Vonshae, the marketing queen. Let's get it. Step one. The first thing you need to do in your affiliate marketing business is select your niche. Some people call it niche, but tomato, tomato, potato, potato. What you want to do is select a category that you're going to go into. That's what they call a niche. Health, wealth, and relationships are basically the top 3 niches, but there are tons of niches that you can select from. You have insurance, you have credit repair. There are very, very many niches for you to choose from, but you have to select one so you can get started. Step 2. The second thing you need to do is research your niche. Find out how lucrative it is. Find out how many ways you can get paid from your niche and find out about your competitors. That's the research stage of your process. Step 3. The third thing you need to do is find a product in that niche that you want to promote. So you'd find an affiliate platform such as clickbank.com, and you go on there and find a product in your niche that you want to promote. After you find a product, you take step 4. Step 4, which is developing your website around that product. Don't worry about it if you're not techie or anything. There are tools for that. They have tools and software that's already out there, and all you have to do is get connected with the right platforms and you can have your website up within a few clicks of a button. The main thing is getting your website up and ready. So if you don't know how to build a website, get connected to software that's going to build the website for you, and that's it, that's all. Success is a choice, guys. Step 5. The 5th step is to apply to promote that product. So once you apply to promote the product on clickbank.com or whatever affiliate platform that you choose, they will review your website to make sure it's in alignment with that category or niche per se. They want to make sure that it's congruent with what they have to offer. So if you choose health and wellness and you pick a health and wellness product, your website must be a health and wellness related website. That's how they do with affiliate marketing, because they want to make sure they're hiring professionals and not amateurs. So they want everything to be congruent. Step 6. Step 6 is to drive traffic to your site. How do you drive traffic to your site? Well, they have all types of social media platforms. You have Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. You even have podcasts. Most platforms have a paid side and a free side. So what you want to do is either you can use your platform and do it the organic way, or you can use the paid version and get ads sponsored on your page. So, I mean, you have to pay for those. But either way, those are the ways that you can advertise your website from those platforms. So, see guys, it's as simple as that. Step 7. Step 7 is to split test your site. Split test, split test, split test. That means when you finally get going and get everything set up, you want to have 2 versions running. You want to have one page that you send traffic to, and then you want to have a second page that you send traffic to, and you want to compare them against one another to see which one of your pages are converting the best. One page may be converting at 25% and the other page may be converting at 50%, but if you don't have 2 different pages set up to run your traffic to, then you won't know. So that's why you have to split test so that you can make sure you're getting the best conversions on your website. And guys, that's all. If you want to know more, if you want to dig deeper into this affiliate marketing for beginners, I will have a PDF download available for you in the description box. All you have to do is scroll down into the description section, click on the link, and it'll be a downloadable PDF file for you, and it's going to say affiliate marketing for beginners. Click on that link and start following the instructions to get connected with the platforms, get your website set up, and everything is going to be in that PDF. Okay guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Comment below and tell me if you need help with anything else, and I'll do a video about it if I know the answers. And click the notification bell so that you can make sure that you get the notifications of when I upload new videos on my channel. Thank you very much, guys, and you have a wonderful day. Success is a choice, guys. Success is a choice, guys. Success is a choice. Have a great one. Bye.